Welcome to SAT 0 to 1. Today we'll be learning about the range. In statistics or data science, the word range means the distance between the largest number and the smallest number. Mathematically, range equals maximum minus minimum. Suppose we have a set of numbers here, 2, 3, 6, 9, 4, 6, 3, 7, 7. In order to find the maximum and minimum, we can rearrange the numbers first. So now we can see that the minimum value in this data set is 2, and the maximum value is 9. Therefore, the range is 9 minus 2 equals 7. Now we know what range is. Let's take a look at the practice problem. The mean of 5 positive integers is 9.4. What is the greatest range this set of numbers can have? What is the smallest? Okay, so we have 5 positive integers. Let's call them x1 to x5. And since the mean is 9.4, we know that the sum of the integers is 9.4 times 5, which is 47. So in order to make the range greatest, we want the difference between the minimum and maximum values to be as great as possible. Since the least positive integer is 1, we want as many 1s as possible. So we can let x1, x2, x3, x4 all be 1, and thus x5 can be 43. So the greatest range is 43 minus 1 equals 42. And that is our final answer for part A. As for the smallest range, we want the values to be as tight to each other as possible. And the closest combination we can achieve is 10, 10, 9, 9, 9. And therefore the smallest range is 10 minus 9 equals 1. And that is our final answer for part B. Okay, thank you for watching. That's it for this lesson. See you next time.